Great for Thanksgiving, Christmas, holidays. It has all those warm flavors that you're looking for in a holiday dish. The oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. We're gonna want to peel the skin off of them. 2 yams peeled. Put a couple tablespoons of koji in the bowl. We just want to rub that koji all over the yam. We're gonna place our 2 yams on there. A little bit of salt for about 10-15 minutes so that koji caramelizes. Crème fraîche or sour cream. Shio Koji, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Juice from 1 lime. About 3 pieces of garlic. Try your knife over it, really crush it. Stir it in real good. It's nice and caramelized, as you can see. The koji's tightened up. Green onions, baby yams. Yuzu Kosho, which is gonna bring a nice little bit of spiciness. Toasted pistachio with olive oil. Use regular watercress. And there you go, your koji roasted yam. Shio Koji does that, giving it a kick of umami.